There go a state trooper. My lord. Huh?
All right. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The big liking boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big level boom cause she liking my flow. Big being her eyes, bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime in the dude, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real. I started to pull up and shut up the water. Now I'm showing the nigga the targets. Let's do it. Hot little boy now.
Before this video gets started with anything, I want to say thank y'all for helping me reach 7K already. To everybody who liked my videos, drop the green emoji, who left a comment, I appreciate you. And even to the ones who still ghost watching, like, you're still watching my videos, why not go ahead and subscribe? It's free. You don't have to pay nothing to subscribe. But to all my real supporters, I want to thank y'all. And another giveaway is on the way. And I'm trying to bring y'all more content. Y'all see I hit y'all with 3 videos last week. So I don't know how many I'm going to do this week, but I'm trying to upload more. I just wanted to start this video out with saying thank y'all. So I've been waiting all morning for an appropriate time to crank this car. I'm about to give y'all a cold start from the outside, and also I got a camera set up on the inside and let y'all hear how that sounds. Videos and you're a true subscriber, then you already know I got my cats gutted. So in this video I'm gonna be giving y'all different sound clips from whenever I got the Miz done, the Miz and Resonators together, and now I'm gonna give y'all the Miz, Resonators, and cats all together. Trust me, the quality of the camera does not pick up the full sound of how it sounds, because I listen to it on camera and it's like it don't do it no justice. It never does. But I recommend you use headphones. That kind of helps out a lot. Because I'm ready to get started driving. Y'all listen, I've been up since about 4 this morning. I worked third shift, but I was off last night, so I could have quit my car up, but out of respect of the neighbors, I waited until now. Right now it is 9 in the morning, so I felt like that was an appropriate time to crank my car. I'll be ready to hear the cold starts. I was already excited about cold starts before, but now that it's actually cold out and I got my cats gutted, it's like, listen, I'm too excited to hear the cold starts. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get this video started. You should have already liked this video already by now, but if you haven't, go ahead and like it, drop a green emoji, and when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Also, y'all know this video is sponsored by Keontae J Hits. Head over there for any credit needs that you need, and let them know that Slime Pack sent you so you can get the best deal. So now I gotta figure out a good spot to actually do the sound testing. I think I'm gonna go to the country. Roll my back windows down. I ain't gonna roll down the front because that'll be too much wind noise. So hopefully I can kind of pick up the sound on the inside. Y'all know my favorite gear is second gear, so I'm gonna give y'all a second gear sound first. Thank you. Alright y'all, so I'm out here in the middle of Dubai. I ain't got no cameraman. I'm gonna give y'all a flyby going this way and going back that way. I'm thinking about setting my camera up over there, but y'all see it's a big dip right there. I don't know what's down there. This is Dubai. I think I got I think I still got my camera standing here. So I do actually have my camera mount. The wind is blowing, so I hope it don't fall. So I'm about to back it up back that way, and then I'm gonna come back this way, and then I'm gonna go back that way. So I kind of moved to a new spot that's kind of blocking out the wind a little bit, and that could give me good sound under a bridge. Hopefully this works. Set the camera up somewhere right. Hey, it's too much mud out here. Somewhere along here. Yeah. I think me park right here in the middle of the little bridge, that'll be a good picture. But I gotta find a way to come up on this little hump because the front end is real low. So I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna cut in right here and come on back down to where I was. I wonder if that other side like that too. Oh no. I still should be able to get up though. I should be able to get up there with no problem. So I'm gonna come in down here. It's kind of lower right here on this part. Nah, let me get this one. Let me see. Okay, cool. I'm up here. Look at somebody down there being nosy. I'm gonna stay in the middle and get some shots. And there go a state trooper. My lord. Huh? Yeah, I'm just doing some shots for a photo shoot. Thanks for checking on me. Thank you.
What year is that one?
19?
19.
Yeah.
392.
Oh yeah. A lot of muscle.
Is that yours?
Yeah, it's mine. Come on now.
Get your life driving.
I love it.
You know how to drive it?
Do I?
Where you from?
Right here?
Baxter.
Uh-huh.
What's the graphics on the side? I can't tell what that is.
Graffiti. Everybody always trying to figure out what it is, but it's graffiti.
It's a V?
Graffiti.
Graffiti, okay.
It's the same thing that's on the hood and on the other side also.
Now, is that the color that came on the car when you bought it?
Yeah, it's called Subline.
It's nice.
Appreciate that, man.
Get out of your way. Just check it on.
All right, thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer a few questions that I've already been getting, and I'm gonna start with drone. Do I get any drone? And of course I do. I was getting drone noises whenever I deleted my resonators, but it wasn't bad. It's more noticeable now, but you only notice it a lot whenever you're riding in complete silence. And it only really picks up like whenever you're around, well for me, whenever you're around like 50 to 60. But you know, below that and going above that, I don't hear it at all. Somebody asked me, has my gas mileage changed? And I don't know. All I know is I put in gas when it's time to put in gas. That's it. I don't pay attention to the gas. Right now, in North Carolina, Dubai, gas is $3 a gallon for 93. It was $2.45, then it went up to like $2.60, but now it is $3 a gallon. So that takes me about $40-something to fill up now. And that's not even on E. I ride a lot. If the sun is out, then I'm out. I daily drive this car, and then I daily drive it to work and anywhere else I need to go. If that weather out says sunny all week, then I'm riding all week. And usually I fill up about 3 or 4 times within a week. And that's about, I say about $160, close to $200, depending on where I go. Another question, check engine light. No, I haven't got a check engine light. I haven't got any codes. Everything rides smooth, the same. Smell, I smell gas more, but I mean that's what comes with it. You already know that's what's gonna come with it. I'm very excited. Here come a train. Let me try to help him get through this. I'm very excited and I'm happy that I done this. No, I do not regret it. I should have been did it, but it's like every time I would tell somebody, look, you know, I seen this video and it can be done, they ain't believing. You know how men is, they think they know everything and can't no woman tell them what to do. But I'm happy that I finally got it did. And of course I still want to be louder, but right now I am satisfied. And If you're thinking about getting this done, I highly recommend it. If you ain't scared of voiding no warranties, do it. But if you real scared of voiding your warranty, then I guess you shouldn't do it. Listen, do it. If you're thinking about doing it, do it. I did it. I'm giving y'all a good review on it. So go ahead and do it. Make sure you get the right parts. Make sure the person that's doing it, they know what they're doing.